Hi, I'm Mauri Katarina, the world's best cleaner. Today I will be taking you with me to clean this amazing apartment. This video is sponsored by BetterHelp. The owner of this house is a young girl and she was very brave to ask for help. First, she was really afraid to let me come to clean her home, but it's alright, I understand that. It takes a lot of courage to let somebody help you when you are at your lowest. This house has been like this for years. The smell was bad and we couldn't even see the floor. But I was so excited. There was trash and stains, so it was perfect combination. My friend Emmy loves cleaning as well, and we are always having fun while cleaning. It's sad to see apartments like this, but it's still fun to clean. The toilet was my favorite. The sink looked amazing. Mental health is a very important value for me, and I have noticed that most of the people that I help suffer with their mental health. Also, many of my followers share their story with me, but unfortunately I can't help them all. That's why I wanted to thank BetterHelp for sponsoring this video, because like me, they help with mental health. BetterHelp is a professional online therapy where you will get matched to best licensed therapist for you. BetterHelp is available worldwide and there are over 20,000 therapists with a wide range of expertise. Message your therapist anytime from anywhere and they will reply within 48 hours. You can also receive weekly video or phone sessions with your therapist. Changing the therapist is easy, so don't worry if you don't get the perfect match on the first time. BetterHelp is also more affordable than traditional therapy. Sign up for BetterHelp HELP through this link in my description or enter my promo code AuriKatarina at checkout to get 10% off your first month and take the first step towards better mental health. In this sink we had a many kind of different stains. That's why we need to change the products. First I used dish soap to see what it removes. After that I used chlorine. Then I used acid-based toilet bowl cleaner for lime scale. And after that power paste for tinted spots. Acid and a scraper works really well together and they remove limescale effectively. My sponsor Nordclean always donates me cleaning supplies for these house owners. Plastic gets tinted really easy and it's hard to get the color off all the way. Power paste might work, but I didn't find it necessary in this situation. We don't always have time to clean everything, so most of the time we have to decide what are the most important things that will help the house owners. Now let's collect all the trashes. I always give these places names, and I named this place Half Puddle, cause all the puddles were half full. These places always have closed bag of everything weird. But I have to open those cause I don't wanna throw anything important away. The floor was made out wood, so I used a scraper and a little bit of water and dish soap to make it clean. I used stove polisher for the stove. It protects it really well.